Hey guys! In this video we are going to see about interesting and exciting 8 tips to lose weight. As it will be so exciting ways, try not to skip the video. Before getting to know about those interesting tips, if you are a new one, kindly make sure that you subscribe to our channel to get interesting tips and tricks on health and fitness. Now let us get into the video. Number 1. Don't skip breakfast. If you miss the first meal of the day, you will be short on nutrients and end up snacking all day long. Number 2. Eat at regular times. When your body is accustomed to regular meal times, you will have a stable metabolism. It also helps to avoid snacking. Number 3. Fruits and veggies. Fruits and vegetables are high in fiber and low in calories and fat, making them a perfect combo for weight loss. Number 4. Exercise. A great diet will only help so much. You need some form of regular physical activity to speed up the weight loss process. Number 5. Hydrate. Drink enough water daily to keep your body in balance. Being thirsty can sometimes confuse us into eating food unnecessarily. Number 6. Check the label. Most food labels will give you an idea of the calorie and fat content. Check these labels to make sure the food you buy fits into your diet. Number 7. Smaller plate. A smaller plate will trick you into eating smaller portions. Also, eating slower will convince your brain that you are full even with less food. Number 8. Reduce or stop alcohol. Alcohol can contribute to weight gain heavily, not to mention that it is linked to several other health issues. Share your comments on how you are maintaining your diet for weight loss. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Let us make a healthy community by sharing this video to your loved ones. Let us catch up with another great content. Until then, it's Arun signing off from you.